Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless and some of the good offers that they actually have going on right now for the holidays. So right now, the one we're focusing on, super short video for you guys, is save $15 a month for 3 months with Visible. Simply bring your own phone and enter 15 off at checkout. So once you're checking out, you're getting your plan and everything, guys, you have to do 15 off. That's 15 OFF at checkout to get it, and you can bring your own phone. So remember, that would be $15 a month off. So if you do, of course, the $45 plan, then of course you will get that for $30, and the $30 you'll get it for $15. Remember, that is for 3 months though, but it's still pretty good savings. If you just bring your own phone, of course, you have to check your phone compatibility. If you have iPhone, let's say you do have an iPhone, I have a 14 Pro carrier, so here's all the carriers. But let's say mine is unlocked, so let's just do other. And then, of course, it's going to ask you for the IMEI and all that stuff. Great news, you can bring your phone with Visible, so you can join with your phone and all that stuff. It's going to ask you for the IMEI and then get that. So you can check out the plans. Let's look at that real quick. So like I said, there's two main ones. The one that I use personally is Visible Plus. It's $45 a month. Gets you unlimited talk, text, and data. 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. 5G ultra wideband is areas that are available. Premium network experience. I believe it's 50 gigs of premium data. Yep. So 50 gigs of premium data every month on the 5G nationwide and 4G LTE. After 50 gigabytes, when the network is experiencing heavy traffic, your smartphone and hotspot data may be temporarily slowed. Now, if you live in a 5G ultra wideband, the data is always unlimited premium data, so that's pretty cool. Of course, you get unlimited hotspot with this plan. It is capped at 5 megabits per second. Same thing, that 50 gigs of premium does get affected by the hotspot. And you do get the extra spam protection, limited talk and text to Mexico and Canada, limited talk, text, and data roaming in Mexico and Canada, international calling. So it's pretty cool. For the 30, you just get limited talk, text, and data, 5G nationwide and 4G LTE, unlimited hotspot, and just these right here. So not bad at all. It's powered by Verizon. So check them out, guys. Like I said, I use them, and if you want also another discount, I will have a discount description below, so check them out.